So today we are back on the new build. Jake and I have turned up Saturday to finish off all the pointing. Because it's so soft, we've got to come back the next day to do this sort of finish. You can see it's like a nice wire brush finish. So we had to do that. Today it's given out rain, which is very unfortunate. So what we've decided to do is get here a little bit early this morning while it's been dry, and it's going to be dry. And we're going to set all the corners up. We've got 3 external corners to build. Honestly, that probably keep me going all day. They are so slow. There's a lot of insulation, there's a lot of trays, there's a lot of messing about, and there's a lot of cuts. Positive attitude, fingers crossed it doesn't rain too bad, and if it does, I'll cross that bridge when it comes to it.
It's just another Friday night. Yeah, it's the same old bar. Everything's still black and white.
So we've just set out our tray and first 2 courses of insulation. Got all of our corners taped. This stuff is an absolute ball ache to set out, especially with the trays. But we've got our weep holes going on now. Let me show you the weep holes. Quite cool. I've never seen weep holes like this. Like a nice little diamond shape. Let's go over to our stonework over here. Where are they? They are somewhere. There they are. They're quite cool. I think it's just quite subtle. So now we've got our trays sorted, which is the slowest part of the day. We're going to start whamming this corner up. Hopefully it won't take us too long. So I've got Jake dressing some stone. Let's have a look. Look at this. Oh wow, look at that. He's a good lad.
Sorted for you.
Oh, absolutely splendid. Absolutely splendid, mate. Get my hammer and chisel. Oh, so with some of this stone, you kind of got to go through it, and I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but can you see how that whips out? Now that is the face of the stone, because this side dips in. So we know that's the face, but if we were to put that up to another stone, what's flat, you would have that. So what we got to be doing every so often is just dressing them down. So when we put it in and point it up, it actually looks flush. So I'll show you now. Oh, bit of weep hole action there. Really good. Really nice. There we go. You see that? Because otherwise we would have been kicking out. It's an art. You're a sick injury. What happened to Kesha?
Just vanished.
Just vanished. It's going to be very cry. Make sure you're trimming. Make sure you're trimming your big bulges. You know what I'm saying there? This is why we're getting 25,000 steps in a day on this job.
It's scary how much time you spend.
I know. Might start coming to work in my running shoes. Certainly keep all the girls away.
Oh yeah.
I love the veins going through the stone.
Yeah, they look sick, don't they?
Man, it's so cool. I've never laid anything like it. Go for a bigger,
yeah.
really big one. I think the massive ones are on the front where we're taking from yesterday.
Ah, so I'll get.
And then over that, I'll come big, and then another big. I just want to break the corner up a little bit.
This thing ain't working out. I think we need a new direction. You're at home in this small town, and I'm just feeling fenced in. No need to complicate it, it just goes that way.
This is the only reason we need profiles on this job, isn't it?
This is your place out.
Jake and I just finished off the corner around the back. We've just got that all covered up, flushed up, ready to be pointed tomorrow morning on Sunday. And then we've just made a fantastic tent, an absolutely wonder. So we're just working under this for now while it's a bit drizzly, but it's going to keep us nice and dry. You just can't lay this stone in the wet, and we need to get stuff done. So A for effort, I would say about D for execution, but all right, we're going to get this corner set the trays, set all the damps, set the insulation, and then hopefully we'll be flying. There's just water coming out everywhere. Oh, for God's sake, this is ridiculous. Slated, taped, and got all this tied back. So we're going to start setting my corner. Jake's just running along doing all the insulation over there. Make sure you hit it tight up to the block work, just give it a slap. So yeah, that's what we're on with. Just trying to stay dry. What we're doing when I'm building this corner, just come in close a little, because I'm not working to a line or anything over there, I've got my insulation tight back to the wall. So normally I'm measuring from cavity 250, but what we're doing now, I'm just measuring 150. So you can see I've got the level on the arris of my stonework, and then all I'm doing is just measuring from here. That's 150, absolutely perfect. And then just measuring here, 150, bang on. And then this stone here just wants a little tap over there. So that's how I'm going about building this corner. It's very slow, still very wet, but
Powering on, aren't we?
powering on. There's nothing else to say. What a shit day. Right, 20 to 11, Sunday morning. Just finished off pointing everything up here. Looks quite nice. Get this covered back up again in a minute, and then we'll go to the other corner we built yesterday. Ooh. Go. All done. Just how I want to spend my Sunday mornings. Really nice day. Sorted.